Now, this is the banana, the burro banana, looking all raggedy on the outside. But then when you peel it back, like I said, in here is the seeds. And then you've got a yellow banana in there that is nice and soft and ready to be diced up and put in your cereal. And that's what I'm about to do. Okay, now it's time to add the coconut milk. I'm going to pour it in. And then I'm going to stir it up because I want to mix it, the dry goods with the liquid, and get it all intertwined. Looks like I will be using all of it. Sometimes I don't need all of it. And I'm going to get a spatula after the video and scrape out the last little bit so I can get it all out. But at least you can see how it mixes all up. It gets all intertwined. And I know I had posted this some time ago, and I had one of my Facebook friends say, "Ooh, that looks so nasty." And I say, "Give me your serving." Because you don't know what you're missing. Different sometimes is not bad. And I like the difference. Yum, yum, yum. And I do eat it sometimes with agave. So I'm going to get my agave out. Put a little bit in there just to sweeten it. But it is pretty sweet. But my tongue is like excellent when I add some agave. So pull the lid off the agave. Add a little bit agave. Just a little bit. Just a little bit is all it needs. And then, because the agave liquefies it even more. And, yeah. Before you say this is looks nasty, I say try it. Because, this is some good cereal. Milk, grains, and banana, baby. Yes. Yum, 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 yum. Thanks for sharing.